everyone, Daniel here from the home of Random Productions 2.0 with today's video, which is, we've done it before. If you guys remember, I did this HP laptop. What was the model on this again? Oh yeah, I think it's a HP Pavilion G series. It was for my buddy. I formatted this a couple of months ago, and in that video I recommended that I tell him to get an SSD. Well, ladies and gentlemen, he complied and we got us an SSD. And in tradition, I simply am going to put a 240 gigabyte Kingston SSD, and for his old hard drive, which is a 1 terabyte, it's going to go in this Oracle hard drive enclosure, which is a yellow model. These are toolless, these are cool, I like these. Mine is blue for the Xbox recording content. So, join me in this time-lapse video as I transition this G-series laptop from HP into an SSD versus hard disk drive. Thank you, and enjoy. just about done here with the new install with the SSD and whatnot. So I'm in the BIOS right now, and I can see that there's only 4 gigs of DDR3 on this laptop. Seeing how I got some extra parts, I'm going to transition this laptop to have 8 gigs. It should help substantially with both speed and everything else for everyday processing. Okay, now with 8 gigs of RAM installed, let's see how she does in the benchmark test. But first we're going to check the BIOS to make sure everything is up to date. And that was the boot. My bad. Oh, F10. There you go. So, just to check, we have an Intel Core i3, M38, 2.53 gigahertz. Originally this computer contained these 2 gigabyte DDR3 RAM. Now it's got 2 4 gigabytes, so a total of 8, as well as that SSD. So let's see how she does with the benchmark test. Gaming is 11%, which is established as a tree trunk. Desktop 28% is an establishment as a raft. Workstation 15% tree trunk. So this is pretty much baseline, your everyday average user friendly computer, YouTube, Facebook, and just a bit of that. Okay, the new results are in with the mark of 11% on the gaming tree trunk. Desktop is 36% jet ski, which that means it's improved. Workstation is a surfboard at 24%. Alright, let's read her up. So, overall the PC is performing below expectation. Processor with a below average single core score. The CPU can handle emails, web browsing, and audio video playback, but it will struggle to handle modern 3D games. It's not a gaming laptop anyways. Graphics, too low to pay. Boot drive, 51%. SSD score, memory, 8 gigabytes is enough RAM to run any version of Windows, and it's sufficient for the vast majority of games. Windows 10 is the most recent, and Intel iCore 3. This bench, 37%. Intel HD graphics, performing as expected. And again, the warning for the SSD, because again, these SATA ports are not 3.0, etc. But it's on there for thing. The RAM, 22.7%, performing way below expectation. Well, it's better than what it was, that's for sure. Let's compare the results from the original